The University of South Wales and the Hydra Foundation are partnering to establish a Hydra Research Centre. The research centre will be the only one in the UK and will see the utilisation of Hydra data for research purposes to improve organisations and improve lives for the better.
The people here, the ethos of the learning, the focus on research and the expertise from the multidiscipline schools that are involved in the project are just outstanding. And it's for that reason that I chose this university to be the academic heart, the hub for Hydra.
We've enjoyed a long history with the Hydra Foundation, and this really signals a very exciting time for us to be able to take that relationship a step further. The Research Centre will allow us to structurally change and help support the development and delivery of public sector services across the UK.